Hey guys, it's Annie here. I have another tutorial for you today. I have my Valentine's Day flowers here and they've been sitting in water for about a week, and it's time for me to give them a cut and put them in a brand new arrangement. If you want to see me turn this into this, then keep watching. So what I have here is a little cup that I've stuffed with wet foam. I've taken 2 blocks, one I've put in the middle and the other 2 I've cut in half and just squashed it down the sides. So I'm starting with all of my greens. I like to do it this way because it gives me a really nice foundation to put my flowers in. And I've also done it the other way where I start with my flowers and then insert the greens. But most often it doesn't look as good, and by the time I have all of my flowers in, there is no space for my greens. So I like to do it this way, and keep in mind that this is only my second time doing an arrangement, so it's not perfect, but I definitely like this look a lot better than the one that I've done previously. And you'll see that I am cutting a lot of my branches in half. This is because I don't need them to be as long, and it's just really wasteful if I tore away all the leaves and stuck it in there. So I separate it in half and then I use both branches into different spots. Once you're happy with your greenery, it's time to put in the blooms. I am using a combination of red roses, spray roses, baby's breath, and some of these blue flowers. I think they're called sizzle, just to add a splash of color and texture. So you want to proceed and start adding your flowers in whatever shape you would like. So for this one, I'm doing some of my big blooms in the middle where I want to draw the most attention. And now on my left hand side, I have my stems extending outwards slightly longer and just filling the gaps with my spray roses and my baby's breath. It is completely okay to manipulate your flowers just like you did with the greens. You can tear off your petals, you can cut the stems short, you can tear off the leaves, whatever makes them look good in the bouquet, you can do to the flowers. Since this is a one-sided arrangement, I'm just going to be putting it against the wall when I'm done. I'm not putting any blooms towards the back. If you are doing a centerpiece for a wedding, which is what I'm practicing for, you do want to go with a design that looks good from all sides. I still haven't decided on the style of my wedding, but if I wanted to go for a rustic look, I might actually do something very similar to this, but I'll just make sure that I have blooms in the back as well as at the front. This arrangement should last anywhere between 5 to 7 days in your home. Because it is built with wet foam, you don't need to water it, and it should have enough water supply to last a few days. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you guys had any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next video.